My name is Alex Waibel. I'm a professor at the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology and also founder and chairman of a small startup company called Jibigo or Mobile Technologies. What we do is we build speech translation systems both for travelers as well as for lectures and continuous presentations. So speech translation is of course an area of communication where speech and translation are combined. Of course, as an educator at a university, we constantly have that problem. Foreign students come to our university and in the first few years don't understand anything when they listen to a German lecture or a French lecture or any lecture in Europe. And that obviously is a disadvantage to Europe because some of the best talent will then go to English-speaking universities abroad. And in order to accelerate and improve the way in which talented people can operate in a multilingual environment, language technologies will be key. We have just recently shown and installed and launched a simultaneous lecture translation service at our university, and we're quite excited to see how that can in fact be used to overcome some of those barriers. We're operating it on a couple of lectures now, and hopefully this will grow so that ultimately in Europe there will be many such automatic translation facilities and everybody can speak in their own language and listen in their own language as if the language barriers didn't exist. So first of all, I think Europe is doing very, very well in terms of fundamental research in the speech and language areas because of that diversity and multilinguality that is inherent in Europe. There's a lot of fantastic programs that aim at improving this. The technological advances have been tremendous, particularly in the last few years. So we believe that there will be a lot of advances in terms of translation in particular, but also cross-lingual retrieval, multilingual information access and dissemination. So there are many language processing applications that are particularly needed in Europe because of the many languages as well as being developed. The challenge will be how to make it all pay for itself because language technology is inherently maintenance intensive. We always have to adjust it and adapt it to different languages and domain. And how to do this efficiently and inexpensively is one of the challenges. The European Commission invests in it, rightfully so, because it needs to be promoted. And one of the questions, of course, for business is also how to monetize it, how to turn it into markets that can self-maintain and self-improve, if you will.